to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to recover your deleted channel in your Telegram account. So first of all, just open your Telegram, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you are there, you can see there are so many channels that I have joined in my Telegram account. And in case by mistake or intentionally I delete any of these channels that I have joined already, then we will simply recover that. For example, I delete this particular channel which says Amazon and Flipkart price. So just long press on it and click on the delete section from the top right and just click on delete chat. And after that, in order to recover that particular account, all you have to do is just click on the search icon from the top right and here and search for the same channel that you have just deleted. And as you can see that the channel that I just deleted, it is showing right above the search bar. So just click on that particular channel and click on restart. As you can see that I have just recovered this particular channel that I deleted from my chat history. And that's how simple it is to recover your deleted channel in your Telegram account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.